So guys, we're nearly at the end of another year, another Christmas come and gone, and as you can see, I've done pretty well this year as far as a haul goes for a Luthier. Had some really cool stuff, so just have a quick run through what we've got. Got a new fret crowning foil from Crimson. I prefer these 3-corner files to the concave ones that go over the top, just because it's easy to see where you're going, and the safe edges that are ground onto them, they make it perfectly fine to use, and you can get it really precise on the frets. So looking forward to getting that one going, because I have worn the other one out. Sticking with Crimson, got some of the tool racks holders. I had the ones finished in the ash veneer on the MDF, which just be quite nice. So these just pop together. I'll glue them together though to give them some extra strength, and be good to get them up so I can tidy up the mess that is my shadow boards behind me, and getting a bit more organised and looking a bit neat. But it'll also free up another shadow board so I can hang up more guitars for when I'm working on. Managed to find some new tips for the soldering iron, which will be very handy, because I've been using the same tip now for a long time, and it's getting past the point I can keep it clean. And the soldering iron I've got is discontinued, unfortunately, so I was chuffed when they found some tips that fit for me. Now, getting on to the really interesting stuff. Decided I want to have a go with the Tru Oil. I've got the oil itself, the gunstock wax and the sealer filler to go on first, because I want to find a way of getting a gloss finish but without having a spray setup, because I don't have the room or the finances to be able to do it properly, to be honest with you. So we're going to give that a try, and hopefully we'll be able to use the polishing mop kit that turned up in time, thankfully. Make things nice and shiny. Threaded inserts. I've been after these for a while. I've been struggling to find them that fit in this way, so I can get pickups mounted better, and maybe add some in for tuners as well to make them a bit stronger and a bit more stable. But the one I was really excited about was the complete guitar wiring manual by Mr. Gerry Hayes. I've had my eye on this since he published it, and yeah, my lady was kind enough to add it onto my present list, which is I've had a skim through and had a read through some sections. But if you're doing anything to do with guitar repair or maintenance, I'd recommend getting your hands on this one, because soldering wasn't the easiest thing that I picked up, but a manual and guide like this has really explained some things to me that I didn't really understand, and yeah, it's full of wiring diagrams which cover pretty much everything I'm going to need to do. So yeah, there we go. Pretty good year and a great haul. Hope you all had an awesome Christmas, and I wish you all the best for 2023. So take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.